Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Standard 5 subject Maths. Your book's name Maths Magic. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 10, and the chapter name is Tenths and Hundredths. Here you have to notice student, this is the spelling of Tenths. So it's pronounced tenths and hundredths. So that is Hundredths. So THS is extra. So that is pronounce it hundredths. Okay. So what we have to know here, a small or big unit of length, weight and volume. We are going to solve some simple problem related to length, weight, volume, currency and time. Knows change in temperature related to time of different states and cities. So these things we are going to know under this chapter. So let's start this chapter. Question number 1. Measure the following item as per example. You can see these are given here. We have to measure this. How we can measure? With the use of scale. With the help of this scale, we are going to measurement this given item. So let's start this. You can see here, this is an example for like this. This is a scale and this is a pencil, and we are going to take the measurement. So you can see from start from 0 and where it will come. It will come on 2, then after 1, 2, 3, 4, the big line is 5. Okay. 5, then 6, 7 and 8. So it will come on 8. So here his answer is pencil measurement is 2.8 centimeter. 2 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Okay. So like this we have to write here. So let's start with first picture. See here the first length of nail. Okay. So we have to take the measurement of nail. So let's see here. Now we have to put a scale here like this, and from 0 start with from 0, and where we have to take, this is the measurement. So it's 4.2, 1 and 2. So the measurement is 4.2 centimeter. The length of nail is 4.2 centimeter. 4 is centimeter and 2 is millimeter, because millimeter is smaller than centimeter. So after 2, after point, this decimals, after decimal that we will count on, we have to write on millimeter. 4 is centimeter, after decimals is millimeter. So it's millimeter. Then after see the second one, length of lady's finger. So let's see the lady finger. So this is the picture of lady finger. So start with 0 and then we have to take the measurement of it's 0 and then 7, 7, 5. This is the big line is 7.5. Then 6, 7 and it will come here on a 8. So 7.8. Otherwise you can take it like this. Start with 0 and this. So it will come on 8. Okay. When you take the measurement, you will get exactly it's 7 point. Start with 0 and it will come on end 8. Then 9 and it's a 8. So it's a 7.8. So here is you have to write 7 decimals 8 centimeters. So 7 centimeter and 8 is millimeter. After decimals we have to write millimeter. Okay. The third one is length of candle. Let's see the picture of candle. You can see this is a picture of candle. Let's take a measurement. See, concentrate here. This is a thread. So we have to take the thread measurement also. 9, 9, 5. Then after this you have to take like this. If you want, you can easily get. So this is the measurement of 0 and then you can see here 5. From here you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 and the big line is 5. Then after only 1 it will count. So 5, 6. So 9.6. The measurement is 9.9 decimal 6, you can say. See here. So 9 decimal 6 centimeter. 9 is centimeter and 6 is millimeter. Now see the fourth one. Length of pipe. Let's see the picture of pipe. So this is the picture of a pipe. So start with from 0 here, and you have to see, take the pencil scale on the picture, start with 0, and here you can see this is a circle also that you have to take on measurement. 11, the big line is 5. Okay, then after from start also you can count 11, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then after 8. So 5 8 11 8 11 decimals 8 11.8 you can say. Now see, so here you have to write 11.8 centimeter. 11 centimeter and 8 is a millimeter. Now see the fifth one. Length of a carrot. Now see the picture of a carrot. Start with here 0. Put a scale on the picture how you can comfortable like this, and then you have to see, you have to take this root also because this is the part of a carrot. So here you can see here 14.8. after 5 3 line is covered, so till last big root that we have to count 14.8 the measurement is. So here you have to write length of the carrot is 14.8 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 8 is a millimeter. After point, after decimals that we have to count the millimeter. Okay, now see second one, convert into millimeter. That we have to, this centimeter we have to convert in a millimeter. So first we have to know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So that means after this decimal, after this point, 0.5 centimeter, this is 0.5 centimeter, that means it's at 5 millimeter. 0.5 centimeter, that means 5 millimeter it's, because we all know here after that decimal numbers are already millimeter. So that means इसका मतलब डेसिमल्स के बाद का जो सेंटीमीटर में नंबर्स आते हैं उसको हम मिलीमीटर में काउंट करते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो 0.5 सेंटीमीटर. तो ये डेसिमल्स के बाद में 5 है, तो इस 5 को हम लोग मिलीमीटर में काउंट करेंगे. सो दिस इज millimeter, 5 millimeter, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, now see 0.9 centimeter, 0.9. So after decimals, after points, all the numbers we count on a millimeter. Before point we count it centimeter, but after point we count on a millimeter. So 0.9 centimeter means is simply we count on 9 millimeter. Okay, now here we have to do, because third number is 8 centimeter, there is no millimeter, there is no decimal. So what we have to know, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 8 multiply with 10, it will come 80 millimeter. Why we multiply with 10? Because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 8 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? Multiply with 10, so 80 millimeter. Now see the fourth one, 10 centimeter is equal to what? So 10 multiply with 10, that will 100 millimeter. Now see this one, second one, convert into centimeter. Now this millimeter we have to convert in a centimeter. First what we do, we multiply it. Now we have to divide it, because 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, so millimeter that we have to convert in a centimeter. So 2 millimeter. Millimeter is smaller than centimeter. Centimeter is a greater number, greater measurement. So 2 millimeter, 2 divide with 10, because it's a between the measurement is 10, that will come 0.020 decimals to a 0.2 centimeter, because we all know the decimals, how to put decimals, how to take out the decimals. We all know the decimals. So when we have to take the decimals, we have to divide. If you take the division, that will come the decimals. Okay, because for 0 we have to take the decimals, and here is a 10. So before the given the one number, that we have to put simply decimal. I'll tell you how to do. First, see here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. This is the measurement that you have to learn. Now all you see this division, how to take the decimals. टीचर आपको लास्ट ईयर स्कूल में ये डिवीज़न बताई होगी. आप इफ़ यू फॉरगेट इट, सो रिमेंबर अगेन. आई एम डूइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट, सो कॉन्सेंट्रेट हियर. See, if you are going to divide 10, divide with 2, because this is the upper side number, so we have to take it's a bit under. Okay, so it's a division. 10 is a greater number than 2. So what we have to do, first we have to take a 0 here, so it will come 20. So how can we take the 0? First we have to take a decimals. If you put here decimals, you can make a 0 here. After decimals you can put here 0. This is the rule of maths. ये मैथ्स का रूल है कि आप एक डेसिमल्स या एक पॉइंट को रख के यहाँ पे एक 0 आप काउंट में ला सकते हैं. सो नाउ हियर 10 and this is make 20. So 10 2s are 20. So after that you can put here 2 and it will come 20. So now here is 0. So what you will get decimal 2. Okay, 0.2. So before the point we have to make a 0, because here is nothing number, यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे 0 बैठाएंगे. So 0.2, this is our number. Okay, so how can you do the division? Like this you have to do. यहाँ पे जो नंबर है, this is the smaller number. ये स्मॉलर नंबर है, यहाँ पे हम लोग को 0 चाहिए था. So we will take a decimals, or we put the decimals, so we'll get the 0. Okay, see, this is the answer, 0.2 centimeter. Now see, 7 millimeter. Now this one also smaller than 10. So how can we divide? Like this. Whenever you will get this number is smaller than 10, जब भी आपको मिलेगा कि 10 इसके बिग ग्रेटर है और 7 इज अ स्मॉलर नंबर, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू डिवीजन, बट 7 and here is 10. 7 and sorry, here we have to write 10 and here we have to write 7. Okay, so this is the greater number and this is 7 is a smaller number, so we can't do the division. So what we want here 0, so we have to put here decimal or point. After you put here point, you can make a 0. This is the rule of maths. ये मैथ्स का रूल्स है कि यहाँ पे पॉइंट रखने के बाद आप एक 0 कलेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट एंड हियर इज नथिंग, हियर इज नॉट अ नंबर, सो वी कैन मेक अ 0 हियर. यहाँ कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे 0 बैठा देंगे. सो वी कैन गॉट दिस पॉइंट. ओके, सो नाउ 10 7s are 70, 10 7s are, so here we have to write 7. So now we'll get this. So 0.7 0.7 is our answer. So this is the division is 0.7 centimeter. So hope you understand how to do this division. आप लोगों को अंडरस्टैंड हो गया होगा. जो ऊपर का नंबर्स स्मॉलर हो तो हम लोग कैसे करके डिवाइड करेंगे. सो दिस इज द रूल्स ऑफ डिविजन. दिस इज नॉट ओनली इन अ सेंटीमीटर और मीटर. ये सिर्फ सेंटीमीटर और मीटर के लिए नहीं है. वेन एवर यू गो टू डू द डिवीजन, आप जहाँ भी जाओगे डिवीजन करोगे, सो इफ विल गेट, आपको जो ऐसा लगता है कि ये नंबर स्मॉलर है इससे डिवाइडर से, तो आप इस तरह से डेसिमल्स पुट करके डिवीजन कर सकते हो. ओके, दिस इज द मैथ्स rules. Now see the third one, 20 millimeter. This is the 20 millimeter, and we will got, because 20 is greater than 10, so yes, we can cut this 0. Okay, and 2 centimeter. Otherwise if you do the division, if you do the divide, to 10 2s are 10 2s are, so 2 is a 2 centimeter will cut. And you can see here this is 40 millimeter, so 10 4s are, otherwise you cut this 0, and 1 4s are 4, so 4 centimeter is your answer. So this is easy. If you know the division, so this is easy. This is the thing that you have to know. Okay, so इस तरह से आज हमने डिवीजन का भी मेथड सीखा. So hope you all understood till here. Practice it, because without practice of maths you can't understand. So do the practice and complete your workbook. Thank you.